everyone! Good afternoon! Ako ay naglalakad papunta sa aking classroom but saglit muna ako dito sa aking my friend, ang aking Amega ay nagsusulat at ako ay hindi pa rin tapos sa pagsusulat. Same kami nito ng situation. O, ayan.
Busy hard. Busy hard. Busy hard.
Yeah, mag-welga na ka na, Meg. Kasi mo ka busy.
Yes. Dahil mo kidnap airplane.
Gabi mo. Ikaw mo rin
I love
ko.
jet ski.
Magpa-rapture pa rin ko.
I have jet ski.
Asa mo ka
Do you
mag-jet
want
ski
to
dahil?
ride my jet ski?
Where
Yes,
is
I have.
your jet ski? Over here. The jet ski. What do you want? Jet ski or parachute?
Dili ko ano to.
Para
She wants an airplane.
Ato ni
Hindi
kini
na magana na small airplane gani Mexico. Bulog. Dili. Dili siya? Jet plane? Is that a jet plane?
Jet plane ito magasok.
Dili mo na mauuwi ka ng helicopter. Oh, she wants to board in a helicopter going to Singapore. Going back to Singapore where she lives. She wants to live in Singapore.
bago lang ko na.
Let's eat my what's that? My is
Peanut.
eating peanut. What is
Peanut
this?
butter.
Peanut brittle or
It's peanut.
what's that? What's that?
Na 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 na.
Hey, you answer me. Hey, don't go away. What's that? What's that? It's a peanut.
Peanut. I have a peanut too.
Hey. May is very slang. She really speak English very slang. This is a peanut. Who wants to eat peanut? Say, tell the viewers you want to eat peanut. Say, tell them. Oh, you're coughing. Tell them you want to eat peanut. Say,
Nalagay kong protein.
Wait.
Sige, pwede na
What
mag-close.
is it?
Kuha na ito.
Sure ka?
but you know, I went there.
Hindi ito na.
Alam mo naman, ako ay isang
Updated.
updated. Ano kasi tawag ng caterpillar ng kanang kanya dahil early. Ako ay isang early bird. Pag na madali ako makakasagap, char. Absorb
Sure ba?
lahat.
Sure ba
Yan
na?
lang. Thank you for watching.
Sure ba ni nakakuha na ka shell?